Hey you guys, I hope you guys are all doing well. Today for you guys, I thought I'd make a video about how I do my no makeup summer makeup look. So the first thing I did was put my hair in some vintage hair curlers, and I will be making a video about how I do this sometime soon. And then I went in with my Dr. Brandt moisturizer. I really love this moisturizer, especially in the summer, because it has a very glowy and dewy look on the skin. And then I went in and I applied some natural chapstick before I went in and did my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I am using the Galactic Eyebrow Pencil in the color Dark. I really love this for my all natural makeup looks because it has a really light coverage to it and not too drastic. So I first start out by brushing out my eyebrows, and then I go in and fill them in. So I'm starting at the beginning of my eyebrows and then working my way to the ends of my eyebrows, making sure they are all filled in, but also look very natural and very light coverage because this is a no makeup look. Next, I'm going in with a Tarte bronzer. This is actually a waterproof bronzer that I've had for quite a while, and I absolutely love it. It just has this beautiful glow to it that you can wear just right on your skin. You don't need to wear any cover up or any makeup or foundation or anything like that. But I went in first and bronzed up my cheekbones before I went in and bronzed up my forehead and under my chin. I feel like this is a very natural way to make my face look a little bit more defined. Next, I'm using a lip and cheek tint by the company Skin Cosmetics. I have had this for a while, and this is my second one I have purchased, and I got this one in the color Honey. It's this beautiful muted pink blush color, and I'm just dotting this on the apples of my cheeks and also a little bit on my nose before rubbing it in with my fingers, and it just gives this really nice blush rose color on your cheeks that's very natural looking. For my eyes, I'm going in with this gold shimmer that's by the company Lip Love. You can use this actually as an eyeshadow, a lip gloss, or you can actually use it as a highlighter. So here I'm using it as an eyeshadow, and it's a great brand because it is all natural and vegan. For mascara, I'm using my all natural mascara that is by Burt's Bees. This has to be one of the best all natural mascaras that I have ever tried, and it's very cheap. I just picked it up at Target, but I'm just applying this. Usually I apply 2 coats of it, but today, because it is an all natural makeup look, I'm just applying 1 coat. And I have to say, it is quite difficult to apply this mascara in such a tiny mirror in the middle of a prairie. To make my gold eyeshadow pop a little bit more, I wanted to add some gold in the inner and outer corners of my eye. So I went in and I used the Galactic Metallic Shadow Stick in the color Desert. It's like this beautiful gold color that's very pigmented, and I wanted a little bit more of a shimmer, especially in the sunlight with this makeup look. So I went in and I applied this in the inner and outer corners of my eye. Last but not least, to finish up this makeup look, I applied the Galactic Creme de la Glow Body Shimmer in the color Soel. This is a beautiful light body shimmer that's very pigmented, but also very natural looking, and a little bit goes a long way, so I always put a little bit on my hand and then I apply it with a makeup brush. And you can actually apply this all over your body, but for today's makeup look, I just applied it to my collarbones, my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, and then a little bit also on my Cupid's bow. And that is it, you guys. This is my summer no makeup look. I wear this almost every day in the summer because it is very light coverage and very natural looking. If you guys did like this video, it'd mean the world to me if you'd subscribe or like this video down below. But I love you guys all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.